Hey YouTubers, I was just going to do a little installation of a Piezo rod pickup for you today. This is a Smith Model 1 fretless acoustic thunder bass that I made a few years ago, and now I've decided to install an undersaddle Piezo pickup. That way I can just plug it in to my favorite amp or the house PA, either one, and get some great bass sounds without having to try to mic it. So anyway, today I thought I'd show you how to do that. Okay guys, to install this rod instead of a disc, since I have an F-hole guitar here, this works out a lot better for me, and you get better transfer from your strings to your pickup this way. So all you need is a 1/8 bit for drilling down here, so you can run your line through. And if you want to solder this, you can, but I got one that's pre-soldered. So once you drill that 1/8 bit up on this end, you'll need to take a small round file and work up and down just a little bit to get you plugged right on through. That way you don't take a chance on busting your bridge with a larger bit. Okay, and you're just going to need 3 bits, the 1/8 for the bridge. You got your plug, which is a 3/8, which will go on the side right here. And then here's the volume switch, which I'm going to put right here. And I think it's 9/32 or something, but you can use a 5/16. Okay, so I've already got this rod hole drilled. I've threaded it through, laid it in there. So I've already got that run through. So now the next step is to locate where I want my volume control, which I think I'm going to put about right here. And then the plug for plugging into your amp right here. So we'll be doing those next. Okay guys, so once we've drilled our 1/8 hole and fished our line through there, there's our pickup laying in there where all the strings can go across it. Alright, and all you have to do next is position your plug for your volume switch. I put a piece of masking tape here and underneath where I wouldn't get any tear out, hopefully. And then I got a brace running right here, so I came over just a little bit. And then it's 4 inches wide, and so I went 2.5 to center it here for my plug to plug in the guitar. So next, what we need to do, since we got her taped off there and marked, we need to take a awl. You want to mark it ever so slightly where our brad point tip can start in there. We'll do the same for the other one. Okay, so now we'll get our brad point in our hole here, try to get level. Here we go. So that made it a real nice clean hole on both sides. Now I can't quite reach this, and it's solid maple. So I believe it'll be alright. So we want to change from our 5/16 to 3/8 to accept our female plug. And we'll drill that one. Okay. So next we'll connect our lines. Okay, so we'll put this tape on here. It's a little pointer if you didn't know it. See what a clean hole? You didn't get any tire out underneath. So that's a big benefit of that. And on this maple side here, everything nice and clean. So now we have no snags, no tire outs. And like I say, now I'm just going to mount these two pieces and connect the wires. Okay guys, once you get your tape removed and you got some nice clean holes here, what's great about this is it's already soldered. So you take it, just plug it in. Now you're connected to your pickup. Now since this was an elf-hole guitar, I had to put it in over here where I can fish it in. Gotta get the angle just right there. I'm gonna turn it over here. I've got plenty of room. Get your washer on. And your nut. Now is when you want to position how you want everything to be. I think I'll turn it over here this way. I've got plenty of room. We'll snug that baby hand snug for now. Okay, I believe I need to put a washer underneath there. I'll find me one. Okay guys, what I had to do is get another washer to put under here where this would be straight and not tilt. Got it on, tightened it. Take you a 1/4 inch dowel and it will stick right into your end pin or your plug in. And I had to fish down through here, since this is an elf-hole guitar, some of these tweezers. Once I pushed it through, held it, got this through the hole and fished it through. So once you do that, go ahead and tighten. Make sure everything's tightened down. Just a good snug. You don't want to over tighten at this point. Okay, so now pickups under the saddle, in the saddle. plugged into the volume control, and then we got our jack, plug-in jack mounted. So that's a real simple install, and I think a lot of you guys with a acoustic guitar, this is the way to go. Instead of the sound hole pickup, you'll get the strings laying right on your bridge. Here's the saddle. Now once you lay that in there, and make sure it's down all the way, I'm going to have to sand the bottom of this to make up for the size of my pickup. And I'll get that sanded, get my right height, and then I'll string her up. We'll see what she sounds like. Okay guys, I just want to tell you, on this saddle that sits in your bridge, you'll have to sand the bottom or file it down, and it's going to lean up this way a little bit. So just take and on the bottom of that, try to get that angle just a little bit there, and you'll make a better contact with each of your strings on your bridge here. Okay, I want to show you how it sounds now. Turn her volume. Turn her down. Back up. See, I hope you liked the video. It's the easy thing to do, make any acoustic a great amplified acoustic. Just plug in your favorite amp, house PA, and you're doing it. Thanks, YouTubers.